Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics. Introducing a beautiful black beauty in the form of a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette. It's an LT4 with target top. Beautiful black paint. We have put the top in the back. It's nice and easy to get off. Slide it right into the back. No sense of leaving it at home. It all fits nice and snug in the back. Beautiful interior. Very, very little wear on the bolster of the seat. This is a manual 6-speed. Loaded like crazy. Of course, power steering, power brakes. Those are 4-wheel disc brakes. Power windows, locks, cold blowing AC. And it has been meticulously taken care of. There's your 350 LT4. Again, only 44,347 actual miles. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out the still pictures of the undercarriage, the engine compartment, the interior, and the back. Get a better idea of how good this really looks. It's in very, very good condition. It's something else. And you will see that it is also very well priced. It is ready for the road today. Again, hang out the end of the video. Check out the still pictures. Check out all the pictures that we have on our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Also, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. If you have any questions about this 96 Corvette with target top, this is an LT4. Please give us a call, 614-276-7355. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.